Did you know that the ACT CRM software has a built-in spell checker? You may not know this because by default it's turned off. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate it and get it up and running so that you can spell check all of the text that you're doing in the notes and histories area of the program. Let's move over to the other screen. All right, here we are on the screen. Now let's dive in and show you how to activate the spell checker. Go into Tools, drop-down menu. If you go down here to Preferences and then click on the Communication tab, and under the Communication tab you'll see Spelling Preferences. Click on that. And I'm not sure why, but by default it's turned off. So if it's not underlining misspelt words, then this is probably the reason you want to activate that by turning it on. Now it's got 4 different selections here. You've got ignore words with numbers, ignore uppercase words, always suggest replacement or for misspelt words, and then enabled the spell checker. These last 2, I probably wouldn't check those off. This one you may want to use if you're not a person that actually reads your text to see if there's any misspelled words ahead of time, because then this will prompt you before you get out of that particular note that you're putting in or a history. So I'm going to leave it at this way just so I can show you, and then I'll turn that feature off and then we'll test it out. Now I must say it doesn't automatically spell check in fields. So if you've got a memo field or a regular field, it's not going to automatically spell check that. But what it does spell check is notes and histories. When you're going into the details part of the screen, it will do the spell checking there. So we're going to create a note. And I'm just going to type in, this is a test, with the word test spelled incorrectly. And you can see that it's highlighted in red, but if I press OK, the pop-up window will pop up, and then I can just use test, and then I can press close. And it will, it actually didn't spell check that right because I didn't actually allow it. So if I press OK, it'll pop it up. And you actually need to go click on this and click change. A couple of different steps, and my apologies. I keep forgetting that I don't use this particular one because there are too many steps. It pops up. You got to choose test. You got to go change, and then go close. So you go change, and then spelling is correct. Press OK, and then it does it. So there's too many steps for me personally. You may like it. That's fine. Again, no right or wrong. You choose the way that works best for you. Here's how I do it. I go into Tools, Preferences, under Communication, Spelling Preferences. I turn that one off, press OK. Now this leaves it up to you now if you're going to do a spell check. So this time I'm going to do a history, which is the same thing. I'm going to put it in the details here. This is a test. Now, if I press OK, it's not going to pop it up. It's just going to do it. But I'm the type of person that does a quick cursory view of the text, and if I see any red underlines, I just right mouse click and choose the one I want and press OK. It's a lot quicker. There's less steps involved, and I'm all about less steps. So that's what I do to make that happen. Hopefully this has been of help to you. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below, and we'll make sure we answer them. Hope you have a great day. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye for now.